Hello there, my name is Afiz, and I'm a VTuber, also known as a virtual streamer. And I'm here to introduce to you guys AOC's new monitor, the AGON 3 27-inch gaming monitor. This monitor comes in packed with tons of features. It has this screen shield, which reduces screen glare and minimizes the effect of lights shining onto the screen. Next, it's also G-Sync compatible, so screen tear can go bye-bye. It is also the gold standard for esports and professional gaming, which means it has 240Hz of refresh rate, and also it has 0.5 milliseconds response time. That is just okay, the next one's gonna be a little bit extra, but you know what? You never knew that you needed something like this once you got it. In the back, there's like this ring of light, LED light. It changes colors. You can customize it as well. It's called the AOC Light Effects, which you can change on the fly on the monitor settings. And speaking of the monitor settings, I love how you can change everything on the fly with just one finger. There's a button right below the monitor, and you can just move it around left, right, up and down, and also press on it, and there's tons of settings you can play around with to match your preference, be it for work or for gaming. This monitor is a 27-inch monitor. It also has a max resolution of 1920 to 1080, so it's perfect, the sweet spot for most games nowadays. It also delivers wide viewing angles because it is an IPS display, so that matters a lot, especially when you watch certain movies in different angles. And it's also a big monitor, which means you can pretty much have a comfortable distance of watching movies and stuff. It also has these convenient headphone hangers on the left and the right side of the screen, so you can hang your headphones on them once you're done gaming. So if you're thinking about getting this monitor, it is currently available online on Lazada as well as Shopee. Well, that's about it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this new way of explaining video games and like reviews and stuff. There's gonna be more coming out really soon. Shoutouts to AOC and AGON Gaming for sending this monitor to me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.